To set a photo as a wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, first we need to go to Settings. Over here in the settings, scroll down and go to Wallpaper and Style. Select Change Wallpapers. Here we have a Gallery section where we can choose one of these categories that we have, or we can press on this arrow on the right side. And then you should be able to select the wallpaper that you wish to set, or the photo that you wish to set as a wallpaper, and press down in the top right corner. Then we can choose to apply it for the lock screen and also the home screen, or just one of them or both of them. And then we can press next. Then we have the preview with customization. Of course, we have some different options like suggests in order to get some suggestions from the phone. You can also go back if you don't want any of these. We can tap on gallery in order to choose a different photo. We have frame, so a bunch of different options here, and color, and also the effect. So we can apply, for example, a blur, grayscale, and so on. And this is for the lock screen, of course. So let's go back now and let's turn off this frame. Of course, also we can zoom in and zoom out. We can change the position, and once we are done, press down in the top right corner. However, before you actually make it done, before you actually save it, you can also tap over here on home in order to see how the wallpaper will look like in the home screen. And that's pretty much it. Now let's press down in the top right corner, and there we go. In addition to that, you can also open the gallery, select the photo that you wish to set for the wallpaper, tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and then we also have the option set as wallpaper, and we can choose lock screen, home screen, or both. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!